Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? Text, text wrap, text break, line height, and more. Let's start coding. Let me create a project file first. bt6html and copy the template and paste. Let me close that section and save the project and run the server quickly. We saw text alignment in our previous tutorials. We will have a look at text wrapping in our tutorial. Let me create a div with class textWrap first. Div textWrap lorem 5. Let's save it and have a look at it. It is normal text as you see. Let's add some more style. For example, style with 6 rem. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we wrapped it with 6 rem. You can use pixel instead of the rem. It is depends on you guys. For example, 5 pixels. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see. Let's add more class in our text wrap. Belge, bg, primary. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we wrapped and we assign a background primary. There are some other values to assign ready colors such as secondary, success, warning, danger. Let me type it down here quickly for you guys. Let's check it, save it, and let's check it. You see the color looks like sort of gray. Let's try warning. Save it and have a look at it. Sort of yellow. Let's have a look at that one. Save it and let's have a look at it. It is green. Let's have a look at that one. Save it. It is a red. We will customize that colors. We will see how we can do in our future tutorials. Let me put a HR and let's have a look at another one. Text break. Here, text break. I want to put some letter. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, it is breaking automatically. Let me remove that one and let's have a look at it. You see, it doesn't break. Let's have a look at text transform. HR P class text lowercase lorem 3 and let's make a couple of them uppercase. Let's save and have a look at it. You see all of them is lowercase. Let's copy and paste a couple of more. Let's make it that one uppercase. And let's make that one capitalized. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, it make it uppercase. Capitalized just made uppercase initial of each word. Let me make it that one lowercase for you guys, and that one also lowercase. That one also lowercase. Let's save it and have a look at it one more time. You see, just initials of word is uppercase. Let's assign another style to increase size of text. fs1. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, let's assign here fs2. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can assign total 6. It means between fs1 and fs6. It is similar of 8 between h1 and h6 values. Let's assign fs6 for that one. Save it and let's have a look at it. You see guys, different sizes. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.